The xTool P2S 55W laser cutter is a powerful, smart desktop engraver worth every investment for anyone serious about precise cutting and engraving. If you are curious about the latest price of this laser cutter, you can check it out from the description below. Designed for hobbyists, makers, and small businesses alike, the xTool P2S brings professional-grade performance right to your desk. With its upgraded 55W CO2 laser, it effortlessly cuts through thick wood, acrylic, and even metals, while delivering sharp, detailed engravings on glass, leather, ceramics, and anodized aluminum. The dual 16MP cameras and LiDAR autofocus system make setup and alignment intuitive, allowing you to preview designs in real time and achieve near-perfect accuracy with every project. Its large 26-inch by 14-inch working bed, combined with Auto-Passthrough support for materials up to 118-inch long, gives you unmatched flexibility to tackle long, wide, or tall items, while the riser base lets you engrave objects up to 8.4 high. Whether you're creating custom tumblers, mugs, rings, or signage, this machine handles it all with minimal fuss. Productivity is boosted with high-speed engraving up to 600 mm per second and smart batch processing for serial numbers or repetitive designs. The 3D curve engraving feature is perfect for cylindrical objects, delivering flawless results on curved surfaces without extra effort. Safety is also a priority, with AI fire detection, emergency stop, enclosed design, and an efficient 233.3 CFM exhaust fan to keep smoke and fumes under control. While the initial setup can take some patience and learning, the results and versatility more than justify the effort. Overall, the xTool P2S combines precision, speed, and safety in a compact desktop package, making it ideal for creatives and small business owners alike. Be sure to check the link in the description below to see the latest offers and details, and explore everything this advanced CO2 laser cutter has to offer.